Alright YouTube, you know who it is, and if you don't, where the hell have you all been? Right, we all know what day it is today. It is of course June 6, 2009, but that's not the point. The point is that 65 years ago today, the Allies breached Hitler's Fortress Europa and won it back for the free world. So before I do anything else, I'm going to have a few moments of silence for those who we lost. Okay, that's it. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is absolutely pissing it down out here today. But I don't mind that. I'm going to be doing a small video anyway. Even if I do get soaked right through, but that's the point of it. But I may have to change the batteries in this, so I may have to redo this video. Well, let's just see. I just want to put on some music to go with this thing as well. I think we'll cut out now, and I'll record this until the battery dies. Just give me one moment. Will you let me back in anymore? Okay, I don't know how I'm going to be able to protect the camera. I guess that's the best I can do. As you can see, clearly it's literally pissing it down. Well, worse than pissing it, really. But that didn't stop the boys down the morning, we did it. No, we did not. They went for anything that got through with them, including all types of bad weather. Everywhere. Oh, I'm getting right down the back of my deck. I was meant to do a better video today, but because it was raining, my mate backed out. So I don't know. But I'll see what happens. It's in the old success. Okay, the camera's still rolling, so I'm still, so you can still actually hear me. I don't know when this will cut off, so when it cuts off I'll just head back anyway. I don't know when or if it will light up today, so because I don't even have any in my mates, I think I'll just head back in there anyway, just to upload it quickly anyway. This is only a short one anyway, but I do hope to upload more anyway. I don't know when though, because I have to get more batteries for the camera. So I'll see what happens. This isn't a great video. It wasn't even going to be a great video when we made it here. It was only going to be me and him, but hopefully near the August time I will have a better video for you. It'll be a big battle pack for my movie. So we'll see what happens anyway. Well, that's going to have some worse. But June 6th, I mean, this has been a pretty shitty June 6th. And we all have heard, I'm sure by now, that the Queen has not even been allowed to take part in this Normandy celebration. And Gordon Brown is, the British PM, and that's pissed off a lot of the Normandy veterans. But we'll see anyway what I can do next. Thanks for watching.